The United States Postal Service and FedEx played crucial roles during the pandemic. As families sheltered in place, receiving contact-free supplies was a vital lifeline of survival. It added stability and a sense of order at a time when there were more questions than answers. The Postal Service and FedEx depended on GroupID. Reaching tens of millions of people daily, they needed GroupID's identity management solution to have people in the right place. GroupID delivers for those who deliver. Why did they choose GroupID? The U.S. Postal Service uses GroupID because their team members move around a lot and need to maintain up-to-the-moment access to vital resources. FedEx likes GroupID for protecting access to Microsoft Teams, OneDrive, and Outlook while out in the field. From on-prem to hybrid to the cloud, identity security is built and managed in GroupID for the U.S. Postal Service and FedEx. Join them and us for the best in group and user management. GroupID. We make groups great.